So no. Yeah, this the early bird road. You tap in, you already know what the frequency is. Maybe they don't, though, maybe they don't.
What the day gon' bring? I be having so much on my mind. Sometimes I be up at night twisting and I'm turning. Got me thinking how I'm earning with that bag and how these bills fall. I be having so much on my mind. Sometimes I be up at night. Got me here twisting and I'm turning. Thinking one thing for sure, at 3 a.m. I'm still on go-to.
Me, I be up when the crickets sleep. Back block spell, moving on a different beat. Heavy meditating while y'all counting sheep. Me, I'm in the trap mode, lining dinner just to eat. I heard your song, Brody, now you ain't like me. I'm street and clutch, leave burnt rubber on your teeth. I got 100 girls that'll send kites for free. See the light bulb, they'll get buried where the parts be. See, you got pipe dreams, you could be Spike Lee. The next John Singer, you could be Tyler P. Instead you playing Gotti like you ready for Mafia beef. End up trailed and scissored, real tell.
That's how the outfit
gon' bring. I be having so much on my mind. Sometimes got me up at night, I'm twisting and I'm turning. Thinking about how I'm earning with that bag and how these bills pop. I be having so much on my mind. Sometimes got me up at night, doggy got me twisting and I'm turning. But I know one thing for sure, it is 3 a.m. I'm still on go-to. Yeah.
You thought I rapped and I trapped too? Bro, what's my name? Peacoat, now ain't that close? That's me, tan shit. Button down, pants fit. Hard bottom swagging in the building, still a man here. Before that, like I'm hunting Nate. Blew a trees, I done lift the value of condensation. Different conversation, but the stature done ran out.
expired at least 8 administrations
Ago, y'all niggas is slow. Y'all be spitting balls and be in the car with the blick. You're in the same spot that you told your nigga on the gram. You be spinning, right? Now you gon' be spinning the yard up north. Be thinking,
I be having so much on my mind. Sometimes I be up at night twisting and I'm learning. Thinking about you, my purpose with that bag and how these bills pop. I be up all night, sometimes so much on my mind. Doggy, yeah, I'm twisting and my turning. But I know one thing for sure, in the 3 a.m. I'm still on go-to. 3 a.m. I'm still on go-to. The chicken Brody is right, we eating on both sides. You know how we do it, it's on.
early bird ground.